Hi guys, if you know me well, you'll know that for the longest time I've wanted to travel and tell travel stories. Today I am taking you on an adventure with me to the majestic Gurara Falls in Niger State, Nigeria. Don't go anywhere because this video promises to be the bomb. So guys, I'm currently at Zuba. We stopped to pick up a few friends and to buy food and to refill the car, and I'm so excited. The energy is so pumped, everybody's so excited, and yeah, I can't wait for us to get there. Trust me, I feel like this is one of the most underrated tourist sites in the whole of Nigeria, and I'm just so happy that I'm going to be showing the entire world the beauty of this amazing place called Gurara.
Waterfalls are undoubtedly one of the most magical natural wonders in the world. It's incredible how they can be so beautiful and calm, yet roaring and powerful at the same time. I don't know about you, but I'm always on the lookout for waterfalls wherever I travel. As a tribute to my love of waterfalls, today I am visiting one of my favorites in Nigeria, the Gurara waterfalls.
Guys, we just got to Gurara Falls. The atmosphere here is amazing. It's so serene. I think this has been like the most interesting 2-hour ride I've had so far this year. And this is the car park. So we met a few people here. I think they're the people who guard like the falls. There are some divers here as well who are on standby in case anything happens, God forbid. So far so good. I like what I'm seeing. It looks really safe. I mean, there's so many people here on standby waiting to help if there's a problem. And yeah, so we're just going to proceed now down the falls. I'm so excited. I can literally hear the sound of the water from here. The sound of the falls can be heard from how many meters away. It is thundering. Oh my God. Guys, I'm at the falls and it is mind-blowing. My goodness. Look at all this. Wow, 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 wow.
So guys, I'm at Gurara Falls and this is like the best spot to take pictures. I've been here once and it was in the rainy season. Usually in the rainy season, the water fills up the entire rock. You're not going to see anything, but I think because it's the dry season now, the water has receded. Either ways, it is still very beautiful. The air here is serene. The sound of the rushing water is it's just amazing. I literally come alive every time I'm in nature, and this to me is one of the most underrated waterfalls in Nigeria. I don't think this place gets the kind of credit that it deserves because of how beautiful, just how breathtaking it is. So if you're coming to Gurara for anything, you need to stand here. You need to take some badass shots here.
Gurara Waterfalls is located in Gurara, a local government area of Niger State in north-central Nigeria. The waterfalls is approximately 30 meters in height and it lies on the Gurara River along the Suleja Mina Road. According to history, Gurara Waterfalls was discovered by a Gwari hunter called Buba in 1745 before some Europeans discovered it in 1925. Prior to the discovery of the waterfalls by the Europeans, Gurara Waterfalls was worshipped by people living in communities around it. History has it that Gurara Waterfalls and Gurara River were named after two deities called Gura and Rara. Despite its somewhat scary history, Gurara Waterfalls is one of the major tourist sites in Nigeria. It is also home to so many people. People like Abdul, who for so many decades have called Gurara home. I remember the first time that I came to Gurara Waterfalls in the raining season. I was awestruck by the magnificent and scenic landscape. It was unrivaled, unmatched, incomparable, majestic, beautiful. And I knew that the next time I come here, I had to document it for you to enjoy and admire. Gurara Waterfalls doesn't get the kind of attention that I think it deserves. I mean, I have traveled to other countries and gone for hours trying to locate waterfalls that looks like a trickle. But we have something this beautiful, this magnificent, and for some reason, it still remains underrated. I think this place deserves to have a 5-star resort. There's nothing that should make this place as underdeveloped as it still is. If you've traveled to countries like Zambia and Zimbabwe, where the Victoria Falls is, there are multiple resorts there for foreigners to camp and stay and enjoy the beauty of the falls. I think Gurara deserves something like that. It definitely should be a resort here. And I'm using this opportunity to call on government agencies, rich people, investors who can make that kind of stuff happen here. This place should not just be in the bush like this, with no hotel, no resort. I think it deserves better attention. Also, I think there should be other activities here. I mean, it's not enough to just travel all the way. We practically came all the way from Abuja and it took us like 2 hours to get here. I think there should be other activities here, stuff like zip lining, bungee jumping, stuff like that, I think would be very cool for a place like Gurara. The atmosphere is really beautiful and it is super safe. The locals here are friendly. So far, so good. They've been very helpful, helping me to carry my bag, helping me to come down the rocky terrain. Everything has just been beautiful. I totally recommend coming to Gurara waterfalls. Before, the gate fee was about 500 naira. That was what I paid the first time that I came. But today we paid $1,000 per person, and I think that's okay. 1,000 naira to see this beauty, I would gladly pay that over and over again.
Let's start what we have come into the room to do.
The reason. Amazing time here at Gurara. It's been the most phenomenal day. I met so many lovely new friends. I'm so excited, and Gurara Waterfalls is one of my #1 most recommended tourism places in Nigeria. If you ever come to Nigeria or you are here, I need you to make a trip to Gurara Waterfalls. When you get here, ask for Mr. Abdul, tell him Gurara sent you. Until the next video, see you guys, bye.